Dance for Joy in Seattle in the US, and we are here at Crystal Dragon in St. Petersburg, Russia. And this is day 2 of Prosthetic Waltz workshops. So we started off with playing a little bit with side to side, where we mentioned that it's important to keep the container of our partner fairly close, so that whenever we move our body, whether or not we want to just simply go line dance, or whether or not we want to maybe avoid someone and go even farther, keeping the small container makes that a lot easier. Then we reviewed a move that you probably already know, called the waterfall.
And so we have our regular cross-step basic, where we both cross through on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have what's called the waterfall basic, which is sort of a mixture of our classic basic and the waterfall move, which is like this,
where I actually step behind on a count of 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a good basic for if you run out of room or whatever. But then we distinguish that from the true waterfall move,
where we actually, I step across and I take 3 full steps back.
Back, back.
Cross, back, 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 turn, my follow.
And when we are in those back steps, we go into Yale position. So we cross, back, back, back. Notice I'm kind of over here. And then the lead is going to really make a nice quick turn on 5, 6, and face out.
So if we are doing it down line of dance,
We'll do a basic first.
we'll do a basic first.
Nice.
So
Move
basic, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, cross, back, 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 and there. Then we started the zigzags going forward, which I think might have been new for you folks. So,
from cross step.
from cross step, I'm going to get into it on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1.
In both cases, the follow is really positioned correctly for the zigzags. The only thing that needs to change is the lead's relationship. Because in our cross-step basic, we have this very gentle little V, but she wants to turn so she's totally parallel with me. 1 square up to the outside, to the middle, to the outside. She keeps me there, adjusts her position, and we're off to the races.
Then we also did backwards zigzags,
Which are super fun.
So I love backwards zigzags because if I'm moving in a crowded floor and maybe there's just a small little bit of room to be able to traverse down a line and I don't want to bump my follow into someone, I can go backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This is a waterfall sandwich. We did the first half of the waterfall, 1, 2, 3, where the lead dives out ahead, and then we finish it up by that whee, bringing back through 4, 5, 6 to end it. 1, back to the middle, to the outside, whee,
And finish. Remember, leads, as we ask follows when they're going backwards to reach, leads you're also going to want to reach when you go backwards on a backwards move. Then we did a zig pivot. I love this move so much. Watch it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to move to the outside. Since I'm going backwards into the middle on 4, I'm going to be going to the outside on 1. So I've got a ways to travel. So outside, inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Your 1 is actually going to finish your pivot. That just gets you a little bit farther across and to home.
One of the things we really talked about was keeping our feet really small through that pivot. It's different than the waterfall in that leads are not taking a big step back on 4. It's really in place. place. Then we're using 5 into 6 to really float that and not try to force it around. So let's do that again. And go back into the zigzags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back into zigzags. Yep. Whee!
All right. Then we also did hesitations. You call them check steps, where leads are going back and back. And you're bringing follows into that position as well. We talked about the compression release. That is compression release, compression release. I want to make sure that my follow feels the hesitation, but I don't want to push her around. So this connection does not move much.
These are also really pushing off the floor as soon as they land so they can really pop back up.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Compress, release. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And down, and down. All right.
We also said that it made a really good sandwich to put a little hesitation on the top, do that zig pivot, and finish it with a hesitation. Feels nice and dramatic in a good way.
You're really going to work me, right?
Yep. Yep. Whee! Whee!
All right, so that's hesitations, zigzags. We also did an inside roll to a left pivot. So the whole idea from the lead's point of view on an inside roll, and this is the move that we're talking about, is that I want to prep it at the end of my basic.
On 6.
I want to change my hand position to a pin and socket. I want to move my chest from here to give follows that extra energy. So it would be from here, I'm going to rotate my chest. All right?
It's really all about that. If we have a good wind up and really good follow through, the lead doesn't need to do anything extra with the hands. The mantra that we were really using is no stirring, right? So we put a basic on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open up a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.
Now, we also use this inside roll for our pivot loops. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hands go forward.
Across.
Free spin. One of the big things that we really wanted to tell follows was, what direction are you going? So for this first part, we're going in the middle, or wherever you have space. We've got our 1, 2, 3, hands go forward. At this point, I'm in the middle lane and she's in the outside lane, and we really want to get the follow to the outside lane. So she's going to trade places with me a little bit while bringing me across. 1, 2, 3. I've got great connection here, a little bit of fingertip energy, and she's going to step down line and tell me to travel, turn, travel, and then of course she can go with me. We can put these two things together if we add another inside roll, on the end, and we can do pivots.
That's right, starting with basic.
Yep. We've got our So let's do a chain the left pivot into another inside roll into the pose.
I might be tracking you in that. Basic.
Into the pivot version. Yep. Another inside roll. Open it up.
And I'm prepping each one of those inside rolls.
We always have to have that wind up before the turn.
So each time you'll notice me open up and then move my chest. All right, let's see. We also did the shoulder catch, which is so much fun. It was a really busy day.
This was also based on the waterfall. He's going backwards first.
1, 2, 3. I'm going to start turning on 4, 5, 6 until I'm facing the outside.
She's also at this point sliding from our normal hold onto more of my shoulder, which is going to let me know that something is changing. So then as we come through, she flips over the top, takes my bicep, prep her, she comes through, I'm going to stop her and finish. It looks like this. Follows, I am really thinking about keeping going. I'm going to fully open up, not so much that it breaks my frame, but we talked about going to the place where I feel a little catch in my shoulder. I'm going to go to that widest part with nice big elbows.
Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Stop her.
5, 6, 1.
And then we can add that left pivot if we are so inclined. 1, 2, 5, and a 1, 2. Catch 4. And inside roll.
Do more of those.
And that will finish that up. Then I believe the last thing we did was a leads turn tetherball.
Oh yeah, gosh, we did so much.
We did.
So you guys are rock stars.
And so we're going to be working with a leads turn, which is this maneuver. But I'm going to do a hand catch here so that as I step across and back,
It winds me up. She's gonna let go before I smack into her.
so it looks like this with a basic on top. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, back. 4, 5, 6, and 1.
I get a little whee off of that.
1,
2, back, 4, whee.
and 1, and 4. And I do believe that's everything.
That was everything we did on day 2.